Hello, hello mga ka-nurses dyan. Imagine, I passed my NCLEX at 50. Sorry naman, yung 50, it's not 50 questions, but, you know, I'm 50 years old now. And imagine, I passed my NCLEX exam. I was 45 years old when I first decided to take the NCLEX exam, and I failed. But this video is all about me passing my NCLEX exam. So, another video na yun or another topic na yung how I failed my NCLEX exam for the first time. Maybe most of you will ask, why now? Wala talaga sa isip ko na mag-NCLEX. I am working here in the United Arab Emirates since 2006 pa. So, almost, it's like 18 years na ako nandito, and I never really thought of taking the NCLEX exam. Ang initial plan ko was to retire in the Philippines eventually. Before the pandemic, mga 2018, 2019, na-observe ko na parang most of my co-workers or my colleagues are umaalis sila from United Arab Emirates, going to US, some to other countries like the UK. Then I thought of taking the exam. So I applied, and then I got my eligibility. I took the exam, and then I failed. Dumating na yung pandemic. So by that time, sabi ko, siguro it's not really for me. Ang US na yan. So I set it aside. Hindi ko na inisip. Inayaan ko na lang lumipas ang panahon, ang araw. And then, biglang naging current yung retrogression ng visas. Tapos yun, nagsipag-alisan ulit yung mga sumunod na batch sa trabaho namin. And then I said, what is this one? Para ako na lang yatang may iwan dito. So, I called the New York Board of Nursing. Kasi doon ako nag-register. And thinking na tanawin ko lang, I would just ask kung eligible pa yung aking registration, kung valid pa yung registration. Because I heard from somebody na wala nga raw yatang expiry ng registration for NCLEX sa New York Board of Nursing. So, when I called, buti may sumagot naman, pero very brief lang. Parang sinagot niya yung phone ang sabi lang we will email you or wait for our email for within 48 hours. Ganun lang. So, yun, binaba na yung phone. Sabi ko, bilis-bilis naman. Di pa ako nakapag, follow-up questions or something. Then I said, okay, hintayin ko na nga lang. But then, after an hour, I received an email. At yung email na yun, akala ko naman, they will just tell me na okay na yung registration ko or maybe it's not okay. But then, what I received is my ATT. Kalain mo yan? Sabi niya, 48 hours, pero within an hour, binigyan niya ako agad ng ATT. So, I took it as a sign na mag-exam nga ako ulit. And by that time, nung na-receive ko yung ATT ko, malapit na akong magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. Because here in the United Arab Emirates, usually we have annual vacation. So, sabi ko, itaon ko na lang sa bakasyon ko. At least 1 month, meron pa akong panahong mag-review. And so, tinaon ko nga yung booking ko ng exam during my vacation para mas tipid din sa pamasahe. Walang testing center dito sa UAE. So, pinakamalapit is India. So, mga 2 to 3 hours flight from here. So, sabi ko, itaon ko na lang sa Pilipinas. And, nagbakasyon ako ng June 10. Then, I booked my exam for July 1st. And by July 7, pabalik na ako dito sa UAE. At yun na nga. Nakapasa naman. I passed my NCLEX now that I am 50 years old. Imagine that. Pero syempre, I have to say this, guys. If you like this video, please like. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And shall I say, I am a Filipino nurse who's working currently here in the United Arab Emirates. And if God is willing in the future, USRN.